Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope everyone is doing well and ready to finish finals. Today we will talk eventually about the Tesla coil. I will just give a brief introduction about it, and we will learn how is it, what it does, and how it works. The reason why my group and I we decide to use the Tesla coil because it's a very interesting device, but also it may be the future of our electricity. It may be the future of producing and not using wire electricity. Let's start this video by looking at some of the different type of Tesla coil that exist. You will be find them fascinating. After that, we will see a little video. Hopefully, you will find interesting. Well, I think after we saw this small presentation about the different Tesla coil, it was necessary to see one, and this is a very small of one of the type of Tesla coil. And what this one do is this one produce a magnetic field. Eventually, produce a spark too, but it's a very small spark. Let's look at it more deep and see if we can understand it, what exactly do and how it work. As I'm gonna show you right now, this is the 120 connection, which is connected into the wall. We'll see the demonstration in a little bit, and then we have a 120 volt, which is going into the Tesla amplifier, which is the one that we see over here. This 120 volt is being amplified to a very high voltage but low in current. So we multiply the voltage up and we reduce the current. And when we do the we send the voltage high, the electricity high voltage, low in current through this capacitor. And when the capacitor is charged, it discharged and send the voltage around this loop that we see over here, this black loop, and then it eventually go to this other capacitor, and then when this other capacitor is charged, also send a discharge to this little space that we have here inside, which is a tiny gap when we create a small spark. And I don't really understand why that spark is there, but eventually has a really specific function. When we're producing this high voltage current going through this loop, we are creating as electrical magnetic field in this coil, up and down. So it is going up and down, and eventually that create a magnetic field around our Tesla coil. Let's see a demonstration on how actually work.